Okay, guys, I wanted to go over a couple examples with you on how to solve your one-step inequalities. When you are solving these, you're going to do it just like you did with equations. So we're looking to undo whatever operation is happening. So on the first one, we have x plus 19 is less than 36. I want to get to the x, so I need to undo the plus 19, so I subtract 19 from both sides. So I have x, I don't do anything to that less than symbol, I just leave it alone. And then 36 minus 19 is 17. So that's my answer. Whoops. I need to graph that up here. X is less than 17 is going to be an open circle. Let's see. Hold on. Sorry, my... Sorry about that, guys. I do my open circle, and then x is on the little side of the symbol. So if you remember, little goes to the left. So I shade to the left. On number 2, I have negative 20 plus n is greater than or equal to negative 37. I want to undo this negative 20, so I'm going to add 20. Just like with equations, if you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other. Negative 20 plus 20 cancels. I have n, don't change my sign, is greater than or equal to, and this is going to be negative 17. So there's my answer. Mark, here's negative 17 on my number line. It's greater than or equal to, so that's a closed circle. And I'm going to go to the right. Okay, both the number line and the part in the answer in the box are part of your answer. They both have to be there. When you are multiplying or dividing, there's a little rule you need to know. Okay, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, you flip your sign. Flip your sign. So over here on number 3, I have 224 is less than or equal to negative 14v. I'm trying to get to the v, so I need to undo this negative 14. It's negative 14 times v, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 14. 224 divided by negative 14 is a negative 16. Because you divided by a negative, you flip your sign. Okay, that is the new thing with inequalities. Otherwise, you can do them just like your equations. But if you multiply or divide by a negative, you flip the sign. So that became greater than or equal to. Over here, the negative 14's canceled, and that's just v. So at negative 16, it's going to be a closed circle because that was or equal to. V is on the little side, and little goes to the left because that's where the smaller or littler numbers are. On number 4, I have 18 is greater than or equal to n over 2. N over 2 is like n divided by 2. So to undo that division, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. 18 times 2 is 36. I multiplied by a positive 2, so I did not change my sign. Over here the 2's canceled, I'm left with n. So at the 36, it is a closed circle. And then the n is on the little side, so that goes to the left. Little side goes to the left. Excuse me. Okay, make sure you do the 4 problems following this video and submit your answers online tonight.